This video contains nighttime driving footage from the brand new 70mm 4K Omni 2-channel dash camera. I'll compare it with footage from the VIOFO A329 2-channel dash camera. Both have the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 image sensor in the front, while the 70mm rear camera is a 1080p camera using the Sony Starvis 2 IMX662, and the A329 is using the Sony Starvis 2 IMX675. This first segment has front cameras with CPLs installed, and then in the middle I show you the removal of that CPL filter, transitioning from CPL installed to removed, and then the last segment of this video will just have front camera footage with the CPLs removed, and I'll show you some play capture attempts. I hope you find it helpful. If you have a comment or question, leave it down in the comment section, and check out the description section for information about this dash camera. Thanks for watching. Loop 2 with CPL filters removed, HDR on for all cameras.